There are many products available to choose concealers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best concealers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dermablend Quick Fix Full Coverage Concealer. Description: long-wearing, full-coverage makeup concealer stick provides a natural finish, flawless coverage for a range of skin imperfections, acne scars, blemishes, dark spots, dark circles, and bruises. Sensitive skin tested. Benefits: non-drying concealer provides up to 16 hours of transfer-resistant wear when set with Dermablend setting powder. Suggested use: glide concealer over desired area. Use finger to blend to warm application to avoid dryness. Number 2. Miss Shah Magic Cushion Foundation. Customizable coverage. Allows you to adjust the level of coverage to your preference. Dewy, nourishing finish. Leaves the skin looking radiant and well-nourished. Long-lasting performance. Ensures makeup remains intact without fading or smudging. Magic Sponge Hybrid. This innovative sponge applicator makes it easy to touch up on the go, absorbs and retains makeup to reduce waste, and won't harden after use. Soothing Botanicals. Bamboo water and baobab tree fruit moisturize skin while witch hazel soothes and calms skin, giving you an even, fresh complexion. Number 3. L'Oreal Paris Concealer Full Coverage Concealer. Experience full coverage and full face wear with a flawless matte finish for up to 24 hours. This multi-use formula conceals imperfections and covers blemishes, while doubling as a contour highlight product. Maximum coverage. Our extra-large applicator provides maximum coverage in one stroke to cover under eye circles, acne scars, and discoloration. Our waterproof, non-greasy formula won't transfer, fade, or flake. 25 unique shades. Choose a shade that best matches your skin tone to conceal imperfections. Go 1 to 2 shades deeper to contour and 1 to 2 shades lighter to highlight and brighten. This full coverage formula can also be used on the body. All things beauty. Keep your beauty stash stocked with the best. We have a variety of products to help you achieve any look. Whether you need eye makeup for a killer cat eye or face makeup for a flawless complexion, L'Oreal Innovation. As the biggest beauty brand in the world, we have an unparalleled commitment to combining the latest in technology with the highest in quality for the ultimate in luxury beauty. Number 4. Clé de Peau Boat. Made in USA. Like the mind, skin is smart. The concealer SPF 27 leverages skin intelligence to support your skin's maximum ability to restore and protect itself. This product helps you respond to the good nutrients, sleep, moisture, and bad pollution, stress, dryness for your best skin. Creamy texture blends easily and effectively adheres to raised and textured skin. Retains a beautiful, radiant finish without creasing or fading for up to 16 hours. After 4 weeks of use, 97% of users felt skin looked brighter, 93% felt skin had radiance, and 96% felt more confident in their skin. 101 participants aged 23 to 50 years old. 15-time InStyle Best in Beauty Award winner. Number 5. NYX Professional Photogenic Concealer. HD Photogenic Concealer. This concealer covers blemishes, imperfections, skin discoloration, dark circles under eye, and is safe for all skin types. Can also be used as a contouring concealer to sculpt chin and cheekbones. Color correcting coverage. Available in 23 shades including color correcting green, yellow, and lavender, providing natural to medium coverage on all skin tones and types. Also suitable as a contouring concealer to sculpt chin and cheekbones. Face from foundation to finish. Complete your makeup look with our full line of face products to aid in color correction and coverage from concealer, blush, bronzer, foundations, and contouring to palettes and powders. Cruelty-free cosmetics. We believe animals belong in our arms, not in a lab. All of our makeup is certified and acknowledged by PETA as a cruelty-free brand. We don't test any of our products on animals. Discover NYX Professional Makeup. Try all of our professional makeup products today, from eyeshadow, eyeliner, and false lashes to liquid lipstick, lip gloss, primer, concealer, setting sprays, and eyebrow makeup. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.